Awesome, so Nintendo is already assembling the Switch 2. But looking closely at the leaked factory blueprint for the new docking station reveals a massive hardware flaw built right inside a plastic housing. Hi everyone, welcome to Majesty Computers. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more technical facts. Whilst mainstream gaming channels are losing their minds over frame rate and pricing, we are stepping up to the diagnostic bench, looking at what really matters. Leaked supply chain data from the accessory assembly line confirmed that Nintendo has completely abandoned the old passive dock layout to handle the massive power profile of the custom Nvidia T239 chip, which is Nvidia Teardown. Running at 4K when docked, Nintendo has integrated a dedicated high revolution per minute, a high RPM for short, cooling fan directly into the high housing. From engineering perspective, this protects the device from overheating, but as a technician who tears down hardware daily, this is an absolute design hazard. Wait for me to explain. Cause the duct has to serve as a pressurized jet stream, forcing air into the handle copper fins. This fan is going to draw massive current, but here is the problem. A stationary docking station set on your TV stand close to the floor, whereas a lint accumulates constantly. This active cooling fan will literally act like a miniature vacuum cleaner, sucking up debris every single day. Within 12 to 18 months, that will completely choke the micro bearing track of the fan's motor, causing a total mechanical stall. The moment that duct fan stops spinning, the duct switch 2 will experience a rapid thermal saturation, triggering emergency system shutdowns and putting extreme heat stress right onto the main power rail. It gets worse. Let's look at the smart power delivery loop. The main duct PCB integrates an upgraded, highly sensitive USB power delivery controller chip. The original Nintendo switches was famous for breaking when users plug in uncertified third-party USB chargers or cheap USB-C dock. Now the Switch 2 dock multiply this risk by 10 because this single input rail now has to power an internal mechanical fan, output a high bandwidth 4K video signal, and push maximum 5000 ampere to the handheld battery all at the same time. The tolerance level of the motherboard are incredibly tight. If you use cheap, non-compliant power bricks, you will instantly blow the input filtering MOSFET and fry the charging IC, leaving you with a completely dead motherboard. Now, one thing I want us to look at is the depth of the HDMI replacement. Now, the final hardware red flag is the video output routing. Early board view sketches show a dedicated view processing co-processor chip mounted directly next to the HDMI port on the dock logic board. This means that the dock isn't just passing a clean data stream, it is actively helping compress the display signals. This high density package means that a simple broken HDMI port replacement is no longer a beginner job. Sleep with a hot egg rework station will break the microscopic data lines heading to the co-processor, instantly destroying the motherboard. Now this is the verdict I have for the new docking station. Now this is the Majesty verdict. Architecturally, the active dock cooling shows Nintendo is serious about pushing top tier 4K performance. but structurally the active fan layout is an engineering trap built with an active expiration date. We are 41 master technicians on the channel right now, and you can become one by clicking on the subscription button. Now let me know in the comment section, will you trust a dock with a vacuum cleaner inside? A Majesty and the bench is officially signing out.